have a 1984 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale. It's got a 350 motor, power steering, power disc brakes, and vintage air. Real nice little truck. We're going to take a look at it today. First, we're going to take a look at the interior on the passenger side here. The dash has a few places in it. It's not perfect, but it's overall in good shape. The seat's got a little tear in it right there. Take a look inside the bed. All inside the bed's in good shape. You're gonna hear it start up here. Take a look at the driver's side of the interior. Behind the seat. Show you the air working. Show you underneath the hood here. Real nice 350 power steering, like I said, power disc brakes. It's got air conditioning on the truck as well. '84 Chevrolet C10. Now we're going to take her for a drive. We're going to take it on a test drive here. If you could, please like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. All right, here we go for the drive. Here we go for the test drive. I'm going to take her out. Here we go. See the speedometer working. Fuel gauge. Here we head back to the dealership here. the dealership here. This will conclude our test drive. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us, 859-621-5572. Like and subscribe on our page for cool muscle cars and trucks just like these. And now we're going to show you what it looks like underneath.